Hello everybody, happy Easter and welcome back to my channel. Guess what? Today we are going to be cutting a hand glove and also a face mask. See, we are going to be cutting this today and see it, a hand glove and a face mask. Sorry, I don't have any face masks here now. I have sold the ones I made, but after this you know what I mean. So you are welcome back. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please try and subscribe, like, share and comment. And I want to use this medium to tell you one or two things about the condition of this country this time. Please stay safe in your home. I pray that we will all live to see the end of this COVID-19. It will never see our end. And remember, COVID-19 is not a death sentence. Let us keep praying to God. Very, very soon, all this will be a story. I wish you a safe stay in your homes. So now, let's go back to business. I'm going to be using this pattern paper here to cut out the glove, the hand glove first, then before I transfer it to this fabric. So let's get started. First of all, you place your hand like this. You first determine where you want the glove to end. For me, 3 inches above your ankle. I think that is enough. 3, at least, yeah, 3 inches above your ankle. Yeah, please, here is enough. Yeah, so you place your hand like this, then you use your marker or your chalk, your colorless chalk, to draft it. But while drafting, please give enough space for your sewing allowance. Just draft it, draft it. You can see what I'm doing. It's very easy. Just be careful and you will get everything perfect. So yeah, it's just an easy something. Just draft it. Make sure you give a little space for your sewing. So from this place, draft it. Yeah, can you see that? Now you cut. Be careful when cutting. Careful when cutting. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, as you can see, I've cut out the pattern now. So I'm going to place it on the fabric and cut it out. So let's do that. So I have done that. I have cut out the fabric. You can see It's 2 already. This 2 is for one hand. It's for one hand. So I'm going to use this one now to cut out the other hand. Then I'll take it to the machine and sew it all around. I will take 1/4 inch, just 1/4 inch to stitch it. Just 1/4 inch from here to here to here to here, and then I'll turn it up like this, and because it will have an elastic. Now I will add this elastic after stitching all around. Then here I'll add elastic so that it will make it to be firm on the hand here. So then I will use this one to cut off the other hand. The other hand. Okay, I'm done with the other hand. I have my 2 hand glove here now. So now it's now to stitch. Let's go to the machine. All right. As you can see now, I have stitched the glove all round, and down here I left about 1 inch. I will use this to fold it for my elastic. Then through here I will put my elastic. So I'm giving it a nice press now. A nice press. After that, I will turn it over. And remember to notch here, all round. As you can see, I have notched it. Can you see it? I have notched it. So remember to notch so that when you turn up, it will be so easy for you. So let me turn it for you to see what. Okay guys, as you can see, I've turned it over. This is how it will look. Can you see it? Very nice. It came out very, very nice. So next thing now is to put our elastic. Remember I told you I left like 1 inch down here for my elastic. I will fold it, stitch it, then leave a small space where I will insert the elastic through. So let me do it and show you. So guys, this is our hand glove. Wow, it came out very, very nice. Can you see it? This is my elastic. So now I'm going to wear it and show you. So next thing now is to do our face mask with the same fabric. So in 10 minutes time, I will be back right here. But remember to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and God will bless you. And remember, stay safe. 10 minutes time, I'll be back. Bye. So now I'm going to cut the face mask with this fabric. Then I will use this to line it. So this little pattern paper here is measured with 6 inches, 6 by 6, as you can see. 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. So now down here you measure 2.5 inch and you mark 2.5 inch, you mark. Then at your left hand side you mark 2 inch. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Then this side now you go up by 1.25 inch. 1¼ inch right here, 1¼ inch. This side, the same thing, 1¼ inch, 1¼ inch. So what you have to do now is to connect the whole lines from here to here, then from here to here, from here to here. So let's connect it from here to here and from here to here. Hope you can see what I'm doing here. So now you can shape it well. You see what I did here? Can you see it? Yes. Let me use my pen so that you see what I'm doing. So from here you connect it to this point. From this point you connect it to this point. Then you give it a nice curve here. A nice curve. Can you see it? Then up here now, up here at your left side, you come in by 1 inch. 1 inch. Then your right side, you come in by ½ inch. By ½ inch. Hope you can see what I'm doing. So from here now to here, you connect it again. From here, from this 1 inch, you connect it to here. Hope you see what I'm doing. Then from here you connect it to here. From here you connect it down here. Can you see it? It's not unfold, but when I will transfer it to the main fabric, it will be unfold. So can you see what I did here? So now I will cut it up. So now, can you see, guys? The fabric now is unfold. Hope you can see it. Then you place your pattern right on top of it. Then you cut. No need of giving any sewing allowance here. Everything is perfect. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please, 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 please. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also press the bell over there so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay? So please, please subscribe to my channel, and God will bless you. So this is it. This is it. It's how it goes. Now I'll use it to cut out my lining, then spread to sewing machine. Okay? Hope you are getting me. Remember, stay safe, wash your hands, avoid public gathering, eat good food, stay at home, and please don't shake hand though. I beg, wear your glove. This COVID-19 is real, but it's not a death sentence, okay? Remember, prevention, they say, is better than cure. So let's get straight to machine. This is it. So to the machine right now, I'm going to stitch from here to here. Stop here. from this place to this place. You stop here, and I will take my lining and I will do the same thing from this place to this place, from this place to this place. Let me do it and show you. Okay, now can you see I have done the stitching from here to here and from here to here. So can you see how it will look like? It's free inside. So do you see how it is? It will look like. Can you see it? Please, this space here will give you enough space to breathe, to talk, you know. So next thing to do now is to turn it over with the lining like this. After sewing it round, you notch. So now it's time to line it. You put your lining, you stitch from here to here and stitch from here to here. Can you see it? So that's what we are going to do now. From here to here, from here to here. Any excess, please cut it off. Any excess, cut it off. So that's what I'm going to do now. Let me do it, and then after that now I will now show you how to add this elastic. So let me do it. So I'm now with the lining. Can you see that? Can you see that? I'm done with the lining. So now I have to turn it over from this space here. To turn it. Turn it. Guys, can you see? I have turned it over with the lining and I'm giving it a nice press. Can you see how it looks like? Can you see that? So next thing now is to stitch here the lining, stitch here the lining. Then so now I'm going to take 1 inch from here, from this place, from here 1 inch, mark it 1 inch. You fold it like this, but before then you will measure your elastic. 6 inch. 6 inch. You can measure 5 inch, but I'm going with 6 inch. Can you see it? 6 inch. 6 inch. Now, when you fold the first one, you now put your elastic. Put your elastic. Can you see what I'm doing? You have to give a little space here, like 1/4 inch. Can you see it? You put it here, then you fold the second one. Can you see it? And when stitching, please stitch at the tip of this folding. Stitch at the tip of this folding here. So let me do it and show you. So guys, this is it. I have added my elastic. Can you see it? Can you see how neat it came out to be? Can you see it? Can you see it? This is it. So now I'm going to go in there and wear it with my glove and come out and show you. Guys, can you see it? My glove, my face mask, and my scarf.